Hello again, it's Noob, and I recently bought this Legge hardened steel armoured padlock. It's like a shutter lock on eBay at a good price. And for those of you who don't know, Legge locks were founded all the way back in 1881 by Joseph Legge in Willenhall, England. If you don't know the history of Willenhall in England, go look it up. Very, very interesting from a lock perspective. So many different lock brands started their journey, their life in Willenhall in England. And this was Legge were acquired by Newman Tonks. They were taken over by Ingersoll Rand. They became part of the Assa Abloy group. Now they're under a Legion. Yeah, they've had a real varied ride in terms of ownership over the years. But Legge are a what we call a legacy brand. I don't know what you want to call them, but yeah, really interesting. And this is the P7805AW. I love these names. In terms of information on the back of the packaging, it just says an 80mm brass body with hardened steel plating on the casing. So it looks like all the outer bits are hardened steel and the rest is brass. It has a ball bearing locking mechanism. It has hardened steel rotating locking bolt, which is 12mm thick, which is reasonable. 37mm shackle clearance, which is good for chains or any hasps that you might put this on. And it's apparently 5 pins with hardened steel pin and hardened anti-drill cover. So they sort of thought about anti-drill, sort of anti-pull, anti-cut, all those kind of things. And I thought I'd try an out of the pack pick. So let's get on in there and see what this lock is like. Now, the one thing which might aid me a little bit in terms of picking is the fact that, we'll get the keys out of the way, we'll look at those later, is that often with these types of lock, the keyway is here by where you pull the shackle. It seems to be the other side on this one, and that means I've got a lot more clearance when I'm putting like turning tools in. So yeah, that could work, for example. So if it was here, for example, and I had to like open the lock by tensioning past this little handle bit, it becomes a pain. But it does look like I can get away with, oh, that's even better, using various turning tools. So I'm going to try with this flat top short hook, and I'm just going to get something to rest on because it's quite heavy. Just this little rubber block. Ah, that's so much more comfortable. Show my age. And we're just going to go in and see what we can pick. So pin 5 at the back, nothing. Pin 4 seems sort of solid. Pin 3 feels, I don't know what pin 3 is doing actually. It's not doing much. Can't feel anything there. So I feel that maybe pin 5 there. Oh, little click on 3. 5's binding, little click. Pin 1 into a false set. Ah, so we do have some, we do seem to have some counter rotation on pin 2 here, so I imagine it's a spool pin, and we're open. Oh. So, there's definitely spool pins in this. That's all I can tell you. Let's have a look at that bitting. Interesting. Okay, so the bitting isn't great. Definitely felt that I picked pin 5. Definitely pick pin 2. Pin 1 put me into a false set, so I'm going to say that pin 1's definitely a standard pin. I don't know about the rest apart from pin 2, which is definitely a spool. But yeah, got that open pretty quickly. And for funsies, let's have a go at raking this lock. I imagine it is rakeable, so let's give this a bit of a go. Oh, that all feels fine, but it seems to be in a false set, so I'm hazarding that it's pin 2 again. And I wonder if I can just use a tip of this pick to get underneath pin 2. That counts rotation, yeah, we got it. So does that count as raking? Sorta. Hybrid picking. So there you go, sort of a rake. Well, fun lock, nice one to have in the collection. Big heavy beast. You see all that brass on the inside, it's very nice. And yeah, a nice one, but maybe not the high security. Has a couple of spool pins in somewhere, I imagine, but other than that, nothing too remarkable. But hope you enjoyed that out of the box pick anyway. Alright, if you like the video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. Always smash that notification bell to be next notified when I next upload content. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.